Hello, this is Charlie Dean, founder and chief architect at Architectura. Today I want to talk about the hundreds of ways you can clad and finish your Architectura home. As you can see in the video, the same building changes to create different atmospheres and is custom tailored to the specifications of the client. One way modular buildings can have different claddings is by using different materials for the exterior finish. For example, a modular building might have a brick veneer, siding, or stucco finish, depending on the desired aesthetic and performance characteristics. Another way modular buildings can have different claddings is by using prefabricated panels that are attached to the exterior of the building. These panels can be made from a variety of materials, including metal, wood, or composite materials, and can be finished with different textures and colors to achieve a range of looks. Modular buildings are constructed off-site in a controlled factory environment, using the same materials and techniques as traditional construction. The modules are then transported to the building site and assembled to form the completed structure. Modular construction allows for a great deal of flexibility in design, including the ability to customize the exterior finish of a building. This can be a major advantage for builders and developers, as it allows them to create buildings that meet the specific needs and preferences of their clients. Modular buildings can have a variety of different claddings or external finishes because modular construction allows for flexibility in design.